probably number one most important thing when it does come to being an entrepreneur, no matter what type of entrepreneur you are, whether you be a content creator or you want to create your own brand, like time management and investment is like key.
What would you give someone who's sitting at home listening to this and they want to start their own business or want to start becoming a content creator? Like, what advice would you give them?
Don't compare your journey to other people. You can't compare your year one to somebody's year five. You just can't compare where somebody else, because at one point they was you. The self-comparison kills you. It just, I feel like the self-comparison make you enjoy your journey less because you're so busy worried about trying to be like somebody else that you forget to be yourself. You just got to focus on yourself. Every small success is a success. It's a step forward. And you just got to remember that.